FiiO's upcoming DAC is a dream come true for audiophiles, packing 3 highly sought-after features into one sleek package. But here's where it gets controversial. Is it a game changer or a compromise? Let's dive in. The R2R Warmer DAC boasts an R2R DAC circuit, a tube-buffered output stage, and mechanical VU meters. These features are like the holy grail for audio enthusiasts, and FiiO has managed to fit them into a compact, half-width box. But what's the catch? The R2R DAC circuit is a unique approach compared to the typical Delta Sigma chips. It uses precision resistor ladders to directly convert digital bits to analog voltages, providing a purist's listening experience. FiiO's implementation includes 192 thin-film resistors with impressive tolerance, ensuring high-quality audio conversion. The DAC offers both NOS and OS modes, catering to different preferences. Connectivity is comprehensive, supporting various input and output formats, including USB-C, Toslink, coaxial, RCA, and XLR. But here's a twist: the tube buffer stage. 4 JJ Electronics E88CC tubes from Slovakia add harmonic richness without amplification, enhancing the sound with pleasant, full-bodied harmonics. This hybrid design maintains tube character while avoiding typical tube amplifier limitations. The mechanical VU meters are a nod to the old school, offering a real-time visual representation of the music's dynamics. But are they just a novelty? Well, FiiO acknowledges that this combination of features may not impress measurement obsessives. The published SINAD figure of 65 dB might make some audiophiles weep, but it's a deliberate choice. FiiO is targeting a specific audience, and this DAC is not about chasing perfection in measurements. So is the R2R Warmer a must-have for audiophiles? At €464, it offers a unique blend of features and a potentially captivating listening experience. But will it divide opinions? Absolutely. And this is the part most people miss. It's about personal preference and the enjoyment of music. Are you ready to embrace the warmth of this DAC? Or do you prefer clinical precision? The choice is yours. For more insights, check out FiiO's website and explore the world of DACs and audio excellence. And don't forget to join the discussion. Do you think the R2R Warmer is a masterpiece or a missed opportunity? Share your thoughts in the comments below.